Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone.
We are from 9A class. Today we will open the project storytelling from English lesson. Stay tuned.
Extended family and I traveled to Ancol Beach, Jakarta in 2019. Our extended family went to Jakarta by train at dawn. When we got there, our extended family went on a trip to Ancol Beach. For several hours, we had fun and and played together. After we finished having fun, we got ready to go home. Our extended family went to Tanjung Priok station to return to our respective areas. This was my best experience because I rarely travel outside the city and I really enjoy traveling to Ancol Beach, Jakarta.
On August 28, I took part in the selection in Cimahi with friends, but after selection was finished, my friend and I played AAV in Mayasari, Cibiru. After playing in Mayasari, my team and I also played in Jatinangor with my brother. Finally, after several weeks on October 13, 2024, my team and I won 3 places. My team and I feel proud because we won 3 places.
On September 4, I took part in a human rights competition with 5 of my friends. This competition took place at the Savoy Homan Hotel. We went by car. When we got there, we immediately entered the building to take photos together and have breakfast. Then the event started and we got serial number 3. The debate to round 1 started and we passed. They continued to the second round and finally we got the hopeful competition. My friend and I feel very happy and proud. From this competition, we gained a lot of experience and learning.
On New Year 2019, my family and I, my parent, my brother, and my brother's girlfriend went to Garut. But in the middle of the trip, my father passed the place we were going to for vacation. So we decided to continue the trip and vacation in Pangandaran. When we arrived in Pangandaran, my father remembered that his family was also in Pangandaran. So my mother decided to video call my father's family. When they answered, we asked which hotel they were staying at. But unfortunately, the hotel they staying at was full because it was New Year's. So we decided to stay at the motel next to the hotel where my father's family was staying. After booking the motel, we went to the hotel to meet them. Then we walked to the beach, bought clothes, Pangandaran, and rode the car and swam at the hotel. We didn't have a long holiday in Pangandaran because my brother and my brother girlfriend were going back to work. So we only had a 2-day holiday. We went home earlier than the other one. It was a pleasant experience because it was my first experience going to Pangandaran with my family, which will be more memorable. Hopefully, we can go back there again.
On the day my PAUD graduation, I went to Ade Irma Nasution Traffic Park. I learned about traffic regulation, basic traffic regulation, and more. I went with my mother, my friend, and my teacher. Not only that, after we finished playing and studying at the traffic park, we boarding a typical Bandung transportation, namely is Bandros. We boarding the vessel. Turns out we went to Bandung station to boarding the train we rented and had planned. It was a very exciting, enjoyable graduation activity. I will never forget it. I think it is very memorable in my heart. How much fun it was to play while studying, to go on trip with my teacher, my friend, it's my mother. Maybe it won't be able to happen again. I really miss that activity.
Years ago, I went to Mount Merapi, Kaliurang, Yogyakarta. I went with my family, my father, my grandmother, my grandfather, younger cousin, and my 2 aunts. We went because it was a long holiday and my auntie who worked in Malaysia was returning home. Our first stop, Kali Adem Bangker. Next, we visit the museum which also explain the history of Mbah Marijan. After that, we stopped at the zoo. Then we had soto in Yogyakarta because heading home. The trip was exciting because can gather with family and discover new experience. Terima kasih, thank you. Udah itu nih.
In 2024, class 8 went on an outing to Pangalengan. After gathering at Jakarta Park, they visited KPBS and went to Cincin for rafting. After the activity was finished, to travel home, but it was delayed because of the rain. And finally, we arrived at Ibrahim Aziz Community Health Center to be picked up by your parents.
My sister and I went to Bekasi to celebrate New Year's with our family. During the New Year's, we went to Ragunan not only for a vacation but also to learn about animals. I went to Bekasi with one of my sister. In the next day, I got ready quickly because I was going to Ragunan in Jakarta Selatan. When we arrived Bekasi to Jakarta, I sleep. There the animals the one saw was a giraffe, elephant, capybara, bird, and monkey. We're heading home. The next day, we went to Bandung. I was super excited.
That day, September 9, 2024, my family and I went to Jakarta. We left at 2 a.m. We traveled for 3 hours. Then we arrived at the city of Jakarta at 5 a.m. to carry out the dawn at the Istiqlal Mosque. After that, we go to Ancol. In Ancol, we split up each family. Some went to the fun beach and SeaWorld. Because my family chose the beach, we went to the beach. On the beach, we boarded a banana boat and down a boat. We finished playing at 4 p.m. After that, our family go to Bandung at 7 p.m. We traveled for 3 hours and finally we arrived in Bandung. The holiday to Jakarta was very enjoyable and our family enjoyed every trip we took. Thank you.
Travel to Pangalengan. My friend and I traveled to Pangalengan because of a project event. And on the last day, we went to Pangalengan. At noon, when we arrived at the KPBS milk production site, we went to see how the making of cheese, milk, and tofu. After we seeing the making of cheese, milk, and tofu, we can buy souvenirs at that place. When we have finished from the KPBS milk making place, we come to the rafting place. Before we start rafting, we rest first, such as eating, praying, and changing clothes. After everything is finished, the rafting starts. After rafting, we change clothes again and prepare to go home. Traveling at that time was very exciting, especially when rafting. I finally knew how to make milk, tofu, and cheese while traveling in Pangalengan KPBS. And while rafting, I saw the beauty of the lake, pine trees, and campsite. As soon as I was very happy when traveling at that time.
And to Forest Walk. Last year, on September 24th, my mom and I went to Forest Walk in Bandung City. The Forest Walk is located in Road Taman Sari number 19. We set off to Forest Walk on Sunday at 1 p.m. and the weather was warm and sunny. When we arrived in the forest, there were many high cliffs and big trees. We walked along and shared slowly with each other. In the middle of the road, give one an area to sit. So my mom suggested that we take a break first. So we sat and enjoyed the beauty of forest and listened to the birds singing. So this experience brought me closer to my mom. We not only enjoy the beauty of forest but also strengthened our bond. Since then, I realized how precious time spent with loved one truly is.
3 months ago, exactly on 5th September, I did my Taekwondo belt test with my friends at UPI, aka Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I was really nervous at first because I was worried that I would mess up my moves. If I did, there was only 50% chance to moving up to the next belt. When it came my turn, there were 3 people beside me. And I did the test and it was complete. Also, I learned a lot of moves with the coach. It was pretty fun and I'm so happy because I passed the test. Thank you.
Sunday morning, my friend and I went to Lembang because my friend and I have a milk business. Was to cover the case that was looking at Karang Taruna. My friend and I left at around 5 a.m. because if you oversleep, you will be late or the milk will have to be refilled. The road I took first was the Jakarta Canal, then to Jalan Supratman, to Jalan Diponegoro, past Gazebo Field, and via Jalan Surapati through the bottom, and to Jalan Insinyur Green. I continued to Jalan Puncrut, then to Jalan Cijeruk, and posted Jalan Kayu Ambon, and arrived at the place, namely KPSBU Jabar. I feel like going to Lembang is very exciting because I can enjoy the cool air in Lembang, and I'm happy to be able to drive with my friend. And sometimes in the bad mood when rest through vision on the way.
The inter-school futsal event on November 16, 2024 of the Zero Futsal Friends Batu Nunggal start on Saturday. I was present with Friends Futsal 37 and coach Core to participate in the tournament in preparations for officials event from the education of it. I get the experience of practicing diligently the winning result of winning the pace. There I compete in Group B with opening 28 B and 7. I score on goal against the opening. Before competing, we always warm up to avoid injury. When entering the semifinal, I worked especially Malcolm, and when competing, I was not orchestrating with the coach. There we fought with shy 45 were lost with I well score tier 1 the way in class 25. We happy because we got the place for the first team. I am very happy to get the praise from my friends because the have work together, and to the first 7 were to the first 7 were ants very invisible. Yeah, thank you.
First time entering junior high school. When I first entered junior high school, There was an event called MPLS. During the MPLS period at SMPN 37, I met new friends. This MPLS was held on July 12th. During MPLS, we were divided into groups to get classroom. I was in group B, and in group B, the leader is coaching in Rahel, who is my playmate at home. For 5 days, we were led by Rahel and also Rahel's student council friend and MPK. They guided us and also told us what was at SMPN 37 as well other alas that had to be followed at SMPN 37.
Inter-RW football tournament. Inter-RW football tournament F1 club which is often held in every neighborhood at home. I competed on the field near my house. The tournament took place in September. I and my friends near my house made a team to take place in the tournament, and there was a coach to guide team. The event happened because every year a football tournament event is held, and I competed until I entered the semi-finals, and my team lost in the final and was second place. One of events. What happened to my was in the final against a very good team. My team was very nervous. The first team afraid of losing because in this final there were a lot of park watching. The match started and my heart was very nervous because my team was entering the final. Prior until I prayed that the match had started, we were 1-0 behind. My team tried to turn things around it chaotic because the opposing team's was very strong, and to break the game my team started napping visually with style called break stroke the opposing team's goal, and in the end your team was in the final between RW and had to win second place. Comment: my feeling at that team very hairy, and team was also sadness because I lost, but I wanted in the tournament RW to work together between teams and work hard to I have to be patient and grateful even though I went second place because it was really fulfilling and I was happy. Thank you.
Classmate School SMPN 37 Bandung, which was in December last year, which was at SMPN 37 Bandung School, which was conducted in grades 7A to 7F. Applied with my classmates with our class 8A. This classmate event was organized by OSIS SMPN 37 Bandung. Just go straight to the part when applied time game. It was very easy for our team to win 8 epic comeback, and after it was against class 8E in the grand final game. It was very easy to win it, and in the final we were against class 9A. In that game we had a hard game fighting them. We lost 3-0 and we got the 12th place. Our feeling when playing at classmate was very adrenaline, happy, and the thrust of top there were happy to end that with the experience of classmates MLBB or 37 Bandung.
Vacation to Pangandaran with my family. I went on a trip to Pangandaran with my family to calm my mind. We went on vacation because it was a long school holiday. Went to Pangandaran using my father's private car. We went on vacation in 2019 before the COVID-19 pandemic. We stayed at a hotel called Hotel Bintang Laut. We choose to stay there because it is not far from the west coast and the parking lot is spacious. Initially, I want to stay at the hotel swimming pool. Therapy is full of hotels with swimming pools, also bit far from the west coast and little expensive. So we stayed at the hotel that still had empty rooms. Then the next night we were looking for food for dinner while walking or traveling around to see what in Pangandaran. Then in the morning we went to Batu Karas beach.
My Umrah experience. This was a religious tour organized by my family. I traveled with my dad and my mom, but my older brother could join because he didn't for a while. My family and I departed on Monday, August 14, 2023 from Safari Sushi Travel. We departed from Soekarno-Hatta Airport heading to Jeddah with Saudi Airlines. We arrived in Makkah at 18 p.m. and reached the hotel at 20 p.m. Next at 9 a.m. we continue by making the intention for Miqat, the Tawaf and the Taif Sa'i between Safa and Marwah hills, and ended with Tahallul, shaving your cutting hair. After completing all worship activities in Makkah, at 14th day, I went to Madinah with using the fast train at the Prophet Mosque and made supplication. In Medina, we also visit the Quba Mosque and Jabal Uhud. After that, on the 10th day, we return to Indonesia. Thank you.
A few years ago, my family and I went on a trip to Taman Safari Bogor. We were joining my dad for a work event. We left earlier in the morning by bus and arrived there about 3 hours later. In the safari journey, we saw many animals like tigers, lions, giraffe, zebras, and very big hippo. After that, we watched a show on a tired out some fun rides. The trip to Taman Safari was really enjoyable because we got to learn about animals and enjoy different games.
1 month ago, on Sunday, 27 October 2024, my friend and I went to Tahura to play. I went by motorbike. There I went to the Japanese Cave, the Dutch Cave, and to the Koleang waterfall. The atmosphere there feels very cool and calm. There I saw monkeys wandering around. They were very busy with visitors because I went on Sunday. I went home at 10 p.m. I feel very happy because I can play with friends. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Reza Putanambanan, age 15, and let's go. I'm futsal tournament at the club, a futsal club event held on Saturday in September 2024 in Bandung. I participated in the tournament with my friend and my coach. The event accurate because my club often participated in a tournament held by the youth organization, which was disseminated on social media. So at first my coach assured me and my friend, my coach asked, "Do you want to join the tournament or not?" Then my friend and agreed to join the tournament. We also worked together to practice futsal seriously in peraturan. Okay, everyone, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
When I was 12 years old, I went to Central Java for the first time. I went with my mother and sister by train. We went during the school holidays. We departed from Kiara Condong station at 11 p.m. and arrived in Java at 4 p.m. At 8 p.m., we wake up. I looked for eels and snails with my brother. Apart from looking for snails, my brother and I saw farmers harvesting rice and vegetables. Next day, I went to Teluk Turtle Beach in the Nusa Kembangan area. My siblings and I played in the sand and swam on the beach. The next day, we returned to Bandung. I'm very tired, but I'm very happy.
Educational trip to Pangalengan. On June 3rd, 2024, our school organized a trip to Pangalengan for 8th grade students as part of Project P5. We visit KPBS Pangalengan to learn about milk production. Then went rafting at Situ Cileunca, enjoying the nature and laughter with friends. When return souvenir and unforgettable moment.
On June 3, 2024, my school friend and I visited Pangalengan for an experience project. There we learned to make cheese and milk at KPBS. After that, we went rafting at Situ Cileunca, even though it was raining. After rafting, we changed clothes, took a group photo, and returned to Kiara Condong. That day was very exciting because this was my first experience rafting with my school friend.
My futsal club friend and they took part in the selection in Cimahi on Friday, and he was accompanied by my brother. My friend and I started the selection. After waiting several days, there was an announcement of the selection, and I was selected for study on selection. I was very happy, and my parents was very proud. I'm there to take part in the selection to again experience, and besides, my parents allowed it, so I take part in the futsal section in Cimahi.
In 2021, my family and I went to my brother's house in Subang. We left at 10 p.m. and arrived there at 11:30 p.m. When we got there, we immediately rested, and in the morning we planned to go somewhere which was a very large grass field for us to play and eat together. The next day, we planned to go waterfall in Subang. We went by car, and there we spent 3 to 4 hours playing. We went home in the afternoon, and the next afternoon our family was on our way back to Bandung. I was very happy because I can gather with them, laugh together, and exchange stories.
3 months ago, my family and I went on holiday to Pangandaran Beach. We went for 2 days. We went using the elf car. We went on a Friday night. The first day, we did off-roading on the beach while watching the sunset. After that, we went to the tourist village. The second day, we went to the East Coast to see the sunrise. We returned to Bandung on Sunday afternoon. I feel very happy because I can gather with my family while watching the sunrise. This moment is the most memorable moment.
Everyone, my name is Yanis Tiadi. I am events to futsal. The Alpi National Club Futsal event is divided into regions 1,
you for in Bandung. I compete at the Peregrine Clubs in Jatinangor, Sumedang, Bandung Regions. I'm with my friend and coach. The event has been running since for May. I thought Sumedang was ordinary, but there are many extreme sports with beautiful mountains and there are many universities there are IVDN, ITB and UNPAD. There are many trails and don't forget there also good conference every week. I'm very happy. I got a great gaming experience. I got new friends and I miss Jatinangor. Okay. Terima kasih.
I, my older brother Dita, and older cousin Dita went to see a concert on July 28th last week. We spent time together listening to Kunto Aji, 420, The Sigit, Juicy Lucy, Yura Yunita, and took a break to eat. When we sang together, it was really fun. Enjoyed the song sung by the singer, and we continue to take break to eat. Exciting but tired, and can be closer to my older brother. Thank you.
Hi everyone! Today is last day our project storytelling and reflection. I hope you guys enjoy watch this video and thank you guys. Bye bye.